It's December 7th, 1997. Here we are at the Space Sciences Lab, UC Berkeley, and we have pulled together a reunion of almost all the original team who was on the Mars Mariner 6 and 7 experiment.
We had this target set up on the other side of the secretary's desk. We stand up in the middle. We didn't always hit the target. So eventually, of course, the wall of the trailer, got perforated with a whole bunch of holes. So after this whole thing was over, we got this, I recall, a great big poster or something.
Yeah.
And put it up on the wall to cover all those marks up. But we got pretty good at throwing knives. Maggie do this about the best. How you doing, guys? Good. Good seeing you. Likewise. Yeah, old Forney's back there, and we got Maurice and Peterson.
Mafia. Yeah, that's right. Mafia. There should be a third in there. Let's go to see you.
Suddenly I know who you are.
Picture badge.
Yeah, Ken organized us stealing these, and I brought mine.
What?
The Cape badge.
Oh, hey, all right.
Remember, none of us, we all said we lost them, all of us?
Oh, you got your Cape badge. Yeah.
I found it in the attic.
Oh my God.
You don't have your orange one for special entry to special places.
I couldn't get in, I had to be with somebody else.
Yeah.
I was an un-American.
I see. Well, the soda cracker worked too, didn't it?
That was Parkerville's story by the guy who drew the training wheels on the Harley.
Would you like to get that?
I forget his name.
Steinberg? Bruce Steinberg.
Yeah.
Steinberg, yeah, was that it? Bruce
I
Steinberg?
think so, but he had he was a cartoonist.
Yeah. He was our quality assurance guy or something like
Yeah, he was a
that.
cartoonist, isn't that great?
What about Dick Luba? Is he still running around with his tank helmet on?
Had that thing with the eagle and the arrows and everything. It was for the note to Lester that you put on the strip chart. Remember that? Right over the thing that said.
I remember the Hank Huey sign on the
No, it was right over the lab where Lester was doing. Where you were.
I thought he was a good guy then.
Right over the lab where you
I
were.
had nothing to do with that.
Where you were testing and installing the strip chart. It said
yeah.
it's impossible to focus channel 2 with current pile of crap. Notice to Lester.
I see. Yeah.
And then he drew up this award. It was the Casey Stengel Award
Casey Stengel Award, yeah, that's right.
for excellence in technical communication.
That's right. You remember Tom Foster? Yeah. Remember Les Hughes?
Unless you need water, like I showed you last year.
Right? They still, yes, right.
Are you in the space science?
Swearing that he would never go back again. Why did he want to go back there?
I was back there for
there.
reading and covering up.
He loved it so much.
There's so much new construction.
Oh, there's Barry.
Sure is.
That must not have been the same launch. I know.
No, there's Barry. No, that's Mike Lowe, though. That's Mike Lowe, Barry, Dean Renfro, Andy Anderson, the machinist. Oh, yeah. And this is what he's not a machinist. Thorburn? I can't remember his name. Duffy.
Yeah. Where's he? Anybody here from Paul?
Yeah, he's supposed to be here. He's out in Tamales.
Running around the floor, flipping up and going rat-a-tat-tat, sparks.
I haven't thought about this guy in a
I
long
forget who it
time.
was, someone stomped on that.
So when they needed to move the instrument, they had to move the spacecraft. Well, one of the times when they moved the spacecraft, they lost it. Because it's kind of dangerous maneuver because they have to tell the spacecraft, okay, do your thing, move this way and that, and then point your antenna back at Earth and phone home.
Welcome to Cassini.
Oh, yeah, yes, that's right, I forgot about that. Cutbacks, yeah, it's only, yeah, I know, yeah, you think of that.
Heaviest spacecraft ever launched, and a planetary spacecraft ever launched.
It's heavier than Focus 2. Before that, Focus 2 was the heaviest ever launched.
You know why it's heavy? I was talking to Dennis Matson. He says, the reason it's heavy is because they have to go into orbit with the probe. So they've got a Galileo-class probe, and they have to put that thing into orbit before they can put it into Titan. So they have to have that much more fuel.
You got everything undone? I think so.
Okay.
Well, I was flat on this.
Look again, look at the...
Oh, no, when the kids were teenagers,
It isn't amazing.
No, that's the engineering model.
Is that the engine? We put the emblem on it?
Yeah, we put the emblem on it, and the other one's just painted white. But the reason why we don't have the back here, we put the label
Oh, yeah, okay.
back there, and it's got the black radiator.
Okay.
Because the PTM had the white radiator until we burned it off.
Yeah.
But I didn't try.
Where's Lester? Is he gonna come over and open his gas system?
Hey Lester, take the lid off your box, will you?
Pretty microprocessor space.
That's right, that's right.
Yeah.
It was all hand
Can you imagine,
microprocessor.
can you imagine what we did? And we did it on pieces of paper and pencil.
I know. Well,
If you'd have had a CAD system when we were doing this, think what
I
it
would
would
have
have
done it
been
all
like.
myself.
You'd have been unemployed after 2 months. Are you kidding?
He did all of this without a computer. I mean, but
Uh-oh.
Why does it sound wet inside?
Another one. Why does it sound all wet?
Must be this old man syndrome here.
Don't hurt yourself, Lester. There's nothing in there.
You have to try it. That was the drop test.
How come you just gave me the trick box?
Hold on, we found we needed a screwdriver.
Oh, okay.
It's got lead bricks in it, Lester.
Oh, we need a millwright.
There it goes.
Oh, man, smell the plastics.
Yeah.
We're reconstructing the whole
Smell the plastics.
Oh, yeah. In that history paper, Paul wrote a history paper about it.
In a position building.
But did you see that?
Yes, they have
Christmas
it.
gas bottle.
Anything that's kind of out of state.
Lester, is that?
Well, let's tell us about the time you almost blew up the building.
Which time?
Those bottles look the same. Originally you had titanium bottles for both of them.
This is engineering prototype, so yeah, they are the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I brought one.
A bottle, I mean. You brought a bottle?
A bottle of what? You're supposed to turn his badges in like everybody else did.
Howdy, Don, how you doing? Good seeing you again. Been a long time, Maurice. A long time.
It's 2 halves, right?
Yeah. And then there's a machine cord.
Okay.
Forged titanium.
Great to hear from you. What a great
It's pretty neat.
Now, see what I was telling Laurel, the bad part about it is you gotta unbolt it to see the bottom of that, because that's where it gets nice. With all the valving and whatnot in there.
Did
I have no idea where he
you want to set this one out?
Lester, did you ever do a burst test with aluminum one as well?
Set it out on the
I don't
table?
remember. I mean, I knew he did it with the titanium, and of course I remember that you actually filled the titanium.
I think actually every design had to be proof tested.
If you want another page, I got another page.
You took a picture of it for your ad in your machine shop.
Yeah.
I still got that brochure.
I know.
And Richard, no, you got your. All right. Oh, you got it. Okay, get yourself an intake so we know where.
Excuse me, go ahead.
This is what I was talking about, Paul. It's not quite put back together. See the gap?
People can see the telescope.
Put this, oh, turn it around.
Yeah, there you go. You're probably gonna need to get out of there.
You see what's going on there, but they all stand here.
But it is bolted in.
Yeah, but it's not quite all the way together.
Yeah. I think what we could have done with nice micro, we could have put this where Dean go. We could have put that whole electronics now into something about like that. That's all hardwired.
Yep, I went to NASA wiring school for that.
Well, then you probably did something.
I probably did. Half blind. They had us look at the solder joints under a microscope.
Ah,
That's how and then the guy would look at them and throw them out and say, no good.
do it again.
Yeah.
Yeah.